Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Mobile Legends profile more colorful and not boring. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you are already logged in into the Mobile Legends, and if you already logged in, you can go to your profile over here, and then you can go to a name card over here and click the edit info. Here's the key. You can choose or input the color code over here, FE6CC0, and type your description or your status in the personal information on your profile, and this is the result I'm gonna show you like this. And this is the result if I remove the color code on my profile. Only white, so boring. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.